Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be creating a pop-up flower. Let's get started. For this activity, you're going to need scissors, glue, and colorful paper. And flowers come in so many different shapes and sizes. You can look up a flower that you like, think of some that you've seen from real life, or totally come up with your own from your mind. I'm actually going to try to make something like a tulip. So a tulip has a common shape of like a U, and then you usually see like a zigzag type, and these are different petals and whatnot. So I need to create different petals with that have like a little bit of a point to the top of it, and then that's going to create my tulip shape. So go ahead and cut this off, and I'll leave that here to think about while I create my tulip. And I'm going to use red and pink paper. Here I have some scraps, and then I also have, let me get this red scrap that I have over here. And I'm going to layer these along with this paper as well. And I'm using, this is a thinner type paper that is like a bulletin board paper compared to colorful construction paper or cardstock or color copy paper. Let's cut out the layers, put this to the side. And then I'm going to use a little bit of copy paper to just work off of as a base. And always be sure when you're getting a little piece of paper from a big sheet, use the edge. Don't grab from the middle. You want to use the edge to get so you can have more to use. Let's do a little bit of a U shape. And my petals will sit on this. So for the petals, they come in like a curve, and some are to a point pretty much. So I'm going to do kind of a teardrop shape. Okay. Then I can just flip that over and repeat on this side. I find when I flip paper over and I repeat the same cut, I get something that looks usually not perfect, but very identical. So already I'm starting to see what would look like a tulip. I want to do, let's see, it's 4. Let's do some more. So I have 4 layers of paper lined up together. I'm going to cut out 2 of that tulip shape. So 4 times 2 is 8. So that gives me 8 petals just like that. Let's make more of a point here. And let's bring this in on this side of, well, actually, no, that looks good. All right, so here I have some different petals, and I'm going to start gluing them down here. And I want to glue them. They can come off the edge because I can come back and cut if I want. Let's start with these 3 like it's the background. So a little dot of glue. Whoa, that's a big dot of glue. And ooh, let's also grab a little bit of this green paper I saved from another flower. That's right. Smear, smear, smear here. Okay, then fold this in half. Let's give that a nicer edge on this side. Okay. Smear this all the way off the edge. Let's place this down here. I got some glue on my fingers. That is good. Just gonna layer that right on top. When I'm done using glue, I will wash my hands. All right, there's one. And that glue I have on my fingers, I'm gonna layer it right on top of that petal. There's 2. And then let's go ahead and curve this because I want it to just sit right there on top. Ooh, yes, this is looking very pretty already. I don't want to stop here. Since this is a lighter paper, it is slightly more see-through. And I have all these beautiful petals to use. Let's do like a little layer of pink here. And I'm going to, did y'all see that? I did a little bit of a fold. So it's kind of a zigzag. And I'm going to fold that shut. And I'm going to do one on this side and one on that side. And since my zigzag goes in this direction on this side, I want to do the opposite, kind of mirror that on the other side. So let's see how these look. You'll see how those kind of mirror each other. And then I'll put those like that. Oh, that's gonna look so cute. Okay, so I'll do a little bit of glue. And I want to get a little bit on my hand because I need to put a little bit inside this zigzag fold to keep that glued shut. And leave that there and do the same on this side. I really like the way I practice that fold first before gluing it down. Yes! Now I need one up here at the center. And I can do the same kind of fold. I could also, let's see if I can do, like fold both of these in. I think that will be better for the center petal. Ooh, I'm loving the way this tulip is looking. This might make a good Mother's Day gift. Like make a little paper flower as a Mother's Day gift. Just an idea. Okay. I don't know if y'all saw that I had like a little bit hanging off right there. I just kind of folded it. This is looking adorable. And it's not quite strong enough right here. Like that just, it falls over. But let me wait until it dries a bit more. And I'm going to get, see, I have a little bit more over here. Let's create another layer to the stem. I think that's going to help it hold up more. And then I could also do a leaf, and tulip leaves are long and thin. Let's get that to a point. There we go. Like that. Okay. And then this guy, I'm going to have him glued right here, and then I'm going to bring him up and over to help add a little strength to that. And then once it's fully dry, it should hold up stronger. If I have a piece of cardstock or a stronger, more thicker piece of paper, I could also use that to give this flower a little bit more of a backbone. Okay. And then that's going to sandwich in that leaf, keeping it sturdy, fully connected. All right, I can already tell it's a little stronger. And if I want, I could add another leaf back here to cover that up. In fact, I think the pink one would be the right color to use. Let's cut off those points. I don't need to cover up the back if I don't want to, but I'm going to. I could put a magnet on the back and like make this a magnet for the fridge. That would be cute as well. And here's my tulip, guys. Ooh, I really love how it pops up here in the front, but it lays flat in the back. Yeah, this would make a cute little magnet. Or a bookmark with a big flower sticking out the top. Yay, I like it. Well, I can't wait to see what you'll create in the art room. Till next time, keep being creative.